Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, I am Shivani Pandey, a student passionate about all the things data science, and this is the second video in my series. In the last video, we have drove into the basics of coding in Python. If you missed it, don't worry, I will link in the description so you can catch it up. Today, we are taking a step further and exploring data preparation. Whether you are just starting up your data science journey or looking into brushing up your fundamental, this video will help you level up your skills. So let's get started. So what is data preparation? Data preparation is processing of transforming raw data into clean and usable format. There are many steps in data preparation. They are let's let's learn about it in detail. First one is data collection. Data collection is gathering your data from various sources such as database, API, or external datasets. Data cleaning is the process of removing or correcting error, inconsistency, and inaccuracy, handling missing values, duplicate, and outliers. The next one is data integration. It is the combining data from multiple sources into unfitted data set, resolving conflicts in the data formats or the schema. The fourth one is data transformation. It is converting data into required format for analyzing. It includes normalization, standardization, or encoding categorical data. Fifth step is feature engineering. It creates new variable for features to improve model performance, selecting relevant features and reducing dimensionally if needed. The sixth one is data reduction. It is simplifying the dataset by aggregating or sampling data, reducing noise, and focusing on the important attributes. The last one is validation, ensuring dataset meets the requirement of the intended analyzing or the model, checking for the completeness, consistency, and relevancy. So you may ask why data preparation is important. It is because it improves the quality of data, leading to the more accurate analyzing, reduced bias and inconsistency in data. And it also enhances the model performance by feeding clean and relevant data. It saves the time during modeling phase by addressing potential issue before it. So let's see how can we do data preparation using Python. So first one is adding an index field. Let's learn how to add an index field in our dataset. An index field helps in uniquely identify each record, making it easier to manage and reference our data. We will use Python and pandas to seamlessly add an index column. So let's see a Python code for it. So first we have imported our library panda.as pd, and then we have given a data frame. So now we have given the data index range from 1. So let's now print the data. The output is came. So now we have three things in the data frame, and they are indexed as 1, 2, 3 because we started our index with 1. So now let's see the next topic, which is changing misleading fields and values. So sometimes dataset contains values that are inconsistent and unclear, which can lead to the confusion during analysis. I will show you how to identify these values and use Python to replace and correct them efficiently. So identifying inconsistent value, we look for an unknown or NA, and to replace with now we have find the inconsistent value, we replace them with approximately values by using condition statement or inbuilt functions. So let's see a code for it. So here is our code, and we have our data set given as name, age, and salary. And now we replace Bob, which is here, to Robert. And that's how we change. Now in the output, we have seen that in place of Rob, there is Robert. So the next one is re-expressing categorical field values. So, categorizing field often needs re-expression to make them easier to work with. For example, transforming text categories into numeric codes or renaming ambiguous categories. Let's see how to re-express categorized field values step by step in Python. So for that we have two things. First one is one hot encoding, which converts each unique category into binary features, 1 or 0, and it is useful for machine learning models. The next one is label encoding, which assigns numerical values for each categories, that is used for ranking or ordering categories. So let's see a code. So here we have a code in Python and we run it. So see, here we have categorized if the number is, so here numeric categories 1 and 2 are re-expressed as low and high, and the method allows us to assign labels to the numeric values. So let's see how we can standardize numeric field using Python. So this is the crucial step when working with the machine learning models, as it ensures all the numeric values are on the same scale. I will demonstrate how to standardize your data using Python's powerful libraries. But first let's understand why standardization. Standardization helps reduce the impacts of the outliers and ensure all the features have equal influence on the analyze. So let's see a code for it. So first here we have imported our library standard scalar, and then we have given our data set, and then we have given scalar equal to standardized scalar. So what does it mean? It means that standard scalar object is initiated and the object will be used to standardize score column. Next, we standardized our data equal to scalar.fit transform. It, here, fit computes the mean and standard deviation of the score column, and transform applies the standard formula for the standardized value. So let's now see the output and see. Here is the output. So now let's see the next topic is the identifying outliers. Finally, we look at the identifying outliers in the dataset. Outliers can screw your analyzing and lead to the incorrect conclusion. Using Python, I will show you the effective way to spot these anomalies and decide how to handle them. There are two methods to identify outliners. First one is visual method. We use box plots, scatters or histograms, which is a visualizing effect. Next one is the static method. In this we employ z-score or IQR methods to calculate and identify outliners. So let's see the code, and here we are using IQR static methods. So first we imported our libraries, then we have given our scores, and then we give the percentiles. So let's see an output and see, here we got an output. So that's it for today's videos on data preparation. We covered some essential techniques of adding index field, cleaning up misleading data, re-expressing categories, standardizing numeric field, and identifying those tricky outliners. I hope I have helped you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on a notification bell so you don't miss the next video in the series, where we'll be diving into the exploratory data analysis. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep coding. Bye for now.